So I just got these new parts in the mail for my car. So this is what we're gonna be working on for today. So these right here. First start by removing the front bumper. Got the parent mount for the horns. So we're gonna be installing that. Shouldn't be anything too hard, should be pretty simple. So hopefully. First, you want to start by removing these tabs, these little tabs on the side, and then after that, you got to go through the wheel well to remove the other tabs and screws that you have on there. Same thing with the opposite side. So, yeah, let's get to it. Okay, and you gotta remove these tabs as well. And then what you want to do is pry the side. Don't just tear it off. You got to do this softly. So there's the horn with the bumper up. You got something similar to this. So at this point, what you want to do is take that off. Use these holes or the center hole to actually hold the bracket on, and then just mount your new horns. And I'll show you about the electrical side so your horn could sound really well. So let's do a test of the sound of the horn right now. That was stock. So let's get to the new bracket. And it also comes with the hardware to mount it. So let's get to it. Alright, so I had some old wires. You're gonna need to splice them. And that's literally it. So all you need is get one ground from the back, connect that ground to the other ground, just make them into one whole connection, and then connect the two positive together. Use the OEM, the stock positive, and right there you have a clean looking one. So this is the finished product. And you can see them sitting right there. Look closely. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Dome 5280.